Well, we replace windows in Denver, in Fort Collins, all across the Front Range, and up in the mountains in places like Summit County, Grand County, Winter Park. These are all areas where Bellwether works and replaces windows. I think it's pretty important to say that local expertise is really important in each of these locations. Local experts understand the extreme weather that we deal with up in the mountains. Because we are local, we can help you with your window replacement in an area where you're gonna get that extreme weather. We're gonna give you a window product that's gonna help you with those extreme temperature swings. Code compliance. It's really important to know that Colorado doesn't have just one licensing for the entire state. It's all municipality based. We are licensed in every municipality, and we can help you with meeting the code requirements of each individual municipality. Every municipality has different requirements when it comes to what the U factor is, the insulation requirements, with understanding things like which windows should be tempered, where egress is needed. Those are all things that Bellwether is going to be an expert on. We're going to guide you through that process, help you make sure that you're getting the windows that you pay for and that you're going to end up with a high quality installation. Finally, tailored solutions. You work with Bellwether because you want that customization, those tailored solutions that are coming out and meeting your needs. Have you ever met with a contractor and had them not really ask you any questions, not listen to you, and just tell you what you need without actually considering what your specific pain points are, why you called them in the first place? You ask me, that's a tough situation to be in, and Bellwether wants to work with you so that you're not in that situation. When we come out and work with you, we're gonna ask you questions, we're gonna try to figure out what your real reason is and how replacing the windows is going to help you with that reason. Maybe it's energy efficiency, your home is really uncomfortable, maybe it's the sound, or a combination of these things. We're gonna listen to your problems, we're gonna give you customized solutions. So whether you live in Summit County, you live in Winter Park, you live in Fort Collins or somewhere else in northern Colorado, or you live in Denver, call Bellwether. We are your local guides.